What's up? It's your girl Jess of Jess a Lifestyle. Welcome to my channel. Be sure to thumbs it up and comment down below. Share what some of your natural remedies are. If you're at the store, let us know what you can't find, what you did find. Let's help everybody out. So as you can see, I have here some items that I already had at home. You might have these items at home too. If you don't, you should still be able to find some of these at your local store. I'm going to tell you now, go to your health food store before your pharmacy and your major brand grocery stores. So to start off, if you can't find sanitizer, here is a tip and a trick. Get you a spray bottle. You can just use regular alcohol in that spray bottle to sanitize your hands. It will keep your hands dry. So what you see in this video, I have the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap. You can add just a little of that if you don't have glycerin. Glycerin and alcohol and essential oil is the best DIY for sanitizer. But again, use this if you don't have that. In addition to that, Dr. Bronner's can be used for so many things. Make sure to dilute this with water. A little literally goes a long way with this product. Use it for everything to clean up with, to clean your body with. Fresh fruits and vegetables that you're scared to get because you don't know if they're contaminated, you can use this too. I would suggest if you're looking to purchase it, purchase the unscented or the citrus if you're going to also use it to clean your foods. Now, for those who use flushable wipes, this is a tip and a trick. I'm telling y'all want to stay clean, check this out. So what I did was I added just a little bit of Dr. Bronner's, probably about a good tablespoon to this spray bottle, and I filled it with water. I've been using it, so it's just a little. But as you can see here, I just did 2 sprays. And what I'm doing is I'm rubbing it on my hands so you'll see that it did not lather up at first. So 2 sprays is good enough to use on some durable toilet tissue if you need flushable wipes. I'm telling you, soap and water is better actually, and it's eco-friendly. It's better for our environment. So definitely consider that if you're out of flushable wipes. As you can also see, I did a few more sprays too, just so you could see it lather. So this can build up to what you want it to be. You can use this spray bottle on the go to wash your hands while you're out if you don't have access to soap and water. This next item, apple cider vinegar with the mother. Make sure it has that. If you don't like to take pills and all of that stuff and you love natural remedies, make sure that you take a tablespoon of this with a little bit of lemon juice and water. The lemon juice does help. I actually have up top and down below detox recipes for apple cider vinegar. Make sure that you hit that after you finish watching this. And here's another good one, vitamin C powder, emergency. It can be store-bought. As you can see, I have some that I picked up from a pharmacy. Actually, I didn't pick this up. My mama got it for me. Shout out to you, mama. This is immune support. What's up, new loves? Stop what you're doing right now. Hit those buttons that you see down below so you'll never miss out on any of my awesome videos. Join the crew. The next item is short and sweet. You can't go wrong with a multivitamin. Now, I'm not going to go into details of everything that's coming up. I will just share what you see, the brand, the ingredients, the directions of suggested use. Make sure that you consult your physician. I know a lot of us do not have access to go and see them physically, but you can call, email, send a text message through your hospital's app. There are so many ways to get in contact with doctors now. Technology is amazing, especially right now since we are trying to prevent from getting sick or we might be sick. But again, check these ingredients out. I actually just bought this one from a health food store because it was 45% off. It's good for your immune system as well as healthy digestion, which is really important too. If you don't want to take or you cannot find any multivitamins, try to get zinc. You can take zinc by itself. Definitely take it with food or you will get sick. It will make you nauseous, but zinc is really good for immune systems as well. Cleanse your body. Right now is the perfect time to cleanse, rest, and detox. Here is a product that I actually use and I love. It contains wheatgrass and it has several different superfoods. It has a lot of greens, it has beets, a lot of good fruits and vegetables to help keep you healthy. I typically take this daily, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have not been sick, knock on wood. Where's the wood? Okay. Oh, knock on wood. I have not been sick this season, thank God. But as you can see, these are the nutritional facts. Everything here is listed. You can actually find this at your local health food store, or you see the actual name here. You can look them up online. And this video is not sponsored, but they definitely have a good sale going on right now, 40% off. If you are feeling under the weather right now, drink yourself some hot tea. This is just one that I have in the house. You can use whatever that you have, black tea, green tea. This one right now is the elderberry and echinacea tea. It is caffeine free. So if you are looking for something that's caffeine free and you're looking for something right now, this is a good suggestion. Here's all the details on it. Now this, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I haven't even tried this. I can't tell you what it tastes like, but I saw that it was a extra potent drink. We all know by now elderberry is really great for your immune system. This one has 33, I believe, grams of elderberry in it. Let's see. Yes, it does. 33 grams of elderberry. It has tart cherry. Thinking about my uncle. Cherry juice. This is also the elderberry syrup. So if you are sick, you take as directed. What does that say? 1 teaspoon? Yeah, take 1 teaspoon. If you're not feeling well, take the syrup. Essential oils. I live by these. I have so many, and the ones that I'm going to show you now are antiviral, antibacterial. They have so many purposes. Google them, Pinterest them, save them, look these up and buy them if you don't have them in your home already. Right now, I've been using at work eucalyptus. It's an anti-stress reliever. It is also antiviral as well. In addition to that, I love tea tree oil and sage. Sage is a cleanser. A lot of people have different type of beliefs on burning sage, but let me tell you, burning sage or even using it in a diffuser or going old school with any of these and just adding them to a pot of water and letting it boil, it's going to cleanse the air. Use any of these items that you see here to cleanse the air and make you well. You can also use them and add to a hot tea, like I just used and pulled up the clove, lavender. I would definitely add some lemon to it if you did, and peppermint. Now, definitely don't take in the tea tree oil or the sage. You can with the sage, but I strongly would not suggest it. That tea tree oil is good to add a few drops in to your bath water or to your shower, as well as the eucalyptus. The sage, again, cleanses the air. The sage will cleanse your air better than a can of Lysol spray. So let me tell you, if you couldn't find that, you can definitely find this because a lot of people are not looking for sage. Clove, look it up. I'm telling y'all, Google will be your best friend right now. Oil of oregano. This is definitely another good one that is antiviral, antibacterial. I know my country self said bacterial real fast last time, but antibacterial. And the good thing about this is it's great for your respiratory system. So if you have anything going on now, it's great for that. It's great for curing food poisoning. So if you even have a stomach bug, that's been going around too. Definitely look into oil of oregano. You can find this, again, at your local health food store. Now, this is something that I also had at home already. This is for your respiratory support and defense. It helps to cleanse and rejuvenate your lungs from all of the environmental particles in the air, bad air that we've been breathing in. With the work that I do, I bought this a while ago because I think that it's always important to take something like this every now and then when you need it. Now, this item right here, black seed, this item right here, premium black seed oil. This thing right here says that it cures everything but death. Again, let Google be your best friend. Look it up. This is something that you can take daily. And right now, if you have the opportunity, if it's not on one of your shelves at home, I strongly, if you don't get anything else, get this. Now, this next item, I'm going to slide on in here. You see how I did that? CBD oil. Y'all, if you're well, but you're not well mentally, trust me, I get it. This situation that we are all going through right now is stressing us the hell out. It's causing us stress and anxiety, maybe causing some of us depression. Take care of yourself. Get you some CBD oil. You can take this orally, put it in some tea, or just take the drops themselves or put it in some water. Take care of yourself. And that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace and love.